Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew from TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, I would like to discuss with you something that I'm seeing a lot on my Discord, that I'm seeing a lot as well in other YouTubers' analysis. It's the parabolic arc pattern that we're having on AMC. So I want to tell you everything that I found about this pattern and everything that this is telling us. So let's get into it. So what is the parabolic arc pattern? Good question. I tried to find some information. So basically, just for those who are watching my videos for the first time, I used to be working as a trader for the past 6 years. I just quit my job 1 month ago and I'm using technical analysis every day. I used to use technical analysis every day to make my trades. And I've never heard of this parabolic arc pattern, but fair enough, you have different trading techniques. So this is one of them. So I did my research, guys, and I found some information, like for example here, or maybe this one is more relevant. So basically you have here a parabolic curve, has then some retracements, and it's funny that to see that actually those retracements, usually they said, so it's a bearish pattern that says that once, I don't exactly understand which level is broken, you're gonna find some support level at between the 62 and 79%. Guys, what's that? See, it's not 62, it's 61.8, you know that, and it's not 79, it's 78.6. Guys, those are just the Fib retracement levels, all right? So this is Fibonacci applied to a strong move up. And what is this, guys? Base 1, base 2, base 3, base 4. So this is an example with Bitcoin. And guys, this is just Elliott wave theory, but with less details, less information. All the waves have the same length. That's not true. You guys know that. Some of them are extended. So basically for me, I didn't have any very interesting information when I did my research, but I'm still gonna try to apply the method and see what this is telling us. So for the first time, guys, I'm gonna use my chart not with logarithmic scale, but with a regular scale, all right? I don't like to do this because the stocks, they're not moving, in absolute value. They're moving in percentage. The growth has always been in percentage, guys. So it doesn't make sense to me to look at a chart like this, but just for the sake of trying to do things like I saw, let's do it like this. So here is the parable. That's what they say. Fair enough, but this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know that, guys. I can't help but labeling it, guys, all right? So 1, 2. Okay, so this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 1, 2, 3. We're having here 4, and we are waiting for the 5th. You guys know that. So here, if I measure the retracement level of this move, what do I find? Guys, between the 61.8 and the 78.6. Once again, guys, this is Fibs, all right? They call it parabolic arc, what goes up, blah, blah, blah. So they basically say that it's a psychology behind pattern, but the parabolic arc patterns consist of both panic buying and panic selling scenarios. Parabolic arc moves vertically as panic buying extends in an absence of sellers on some unfounded expectation, blah, blah, blah. So they're basically saying that it's a bearish pattern, guys, all right? So this is what I found here. Place a protective stop a few ticks above the high. So this is to take a short position. Interesting, but this is not telling us when the breakout is going to happen. This is not telling us what are the targets for the 5th wave. So to me, this complementary information was actually not that complementary. It was already included. It's basically a basic use of Fibs and Elliott wave theory combined. This is basically what I'm doing, guys, in all of my videos. So here, let me do it again with you. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, we're having some support level at between 33 and 22. So once again, guys, this is not very precise. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you guys know that for those who are following me on Discord, I gave you many tips here yesterday during the trading session. I was actually on the 15 minutes time frame. So I'm going to come back to the daily maybe trading, but just very quickly, let me give you my targets once again, guys, because the parabolic arc pattern doesn't tell you what is triggering the next move up. I'm giving you this. This is at the 38.40 area, guys, and I've explained that many times. I will explain this here too again. This is when the 5th wave is going to be triggered, all right? This is what we are waiting for. And the targets, guys, I gave you this many times, but let's do it again. You measure the wave and you apply it to the bottom of the 4th. So not sure where it's going to be, guys. Maybe somewhere here. And yes, we're going to 135 if it's the 1.618 fib extensions that is happening. And once again, guys, where do I get this information from? You know, I don't just say that randomly. You tap Elliott wave theory, frost and pressure PDF, bam, you click on this link, okay, and you look for Fibonacci. And we're gonna find the Fibs extension that Elliott predicted, guys, 50 years ago, all right? This is a solid theory. This is a theory where you have support levels, resistance levels, that you have some forecast about how long is going to be the next wave, depending on which wave was extended before. Here we go, guys. Some of you might have seen that already, guys. This is what I'm using, and we are here in this situation for me, all right? Fifth wave extension. So basically we are going to have a fifth wave which length is 1.618 compared to 123. So this is what I'm doing here, guys, all right? So this is a solid theory. If you want to know more about the theory, just click on the link in the description of my video. I go through the whole book that I've read many times, guys. This is solid information that I'm giving you here, and it's basically coming to the same answer, that we're going to 100, 135, but here I'm having some levels that help me to identify whenever it's time to go in the trade or whenever it's time to wait, all right? And right now I can tell you it's time to wait. We need to break 40 to be sure. Now, for those who are interested, I will go on a 15 minutes time frame, and I will go quickly with you guys through my different scenarios that I post every day, guys, on my Discord. Go there, it's still for free. I'm basically giving you some trading guidelines. I'm helping you guys to find the nice buying opportunities during the day. And yesterday, let me sum up a bit the situation. So those are my 3 scenarios, guys. So I was sending you in my Discord, so that here we had the breakout at 33, guys, and I told you wait for it. You know, some of you were already FOMO rushing, like, yeah, I want to buy. I was like, wait, guys, we're gonna have 90% chance that there is a retest at 33 in the coming hour, and this is exactly what happened here, guys. We had this retest, and then I told you the next resistance level would be 35. We had some reaction here at 35, and then again, all right? So I kind of predicted the whole price action during yesterday, because, guys, I'm used to that. You know, it's something I've been watching charts, guys, for the past even 10, 15 years, guys, every day, trying to, you know, scalp it, day trade it, swing trade it. So I basically kind of know which techniques are gonna work depending on the recent price action that I'm having. And I'm now, you know, focused on AMC price action for quite a while. So I'm just, you know, kind of predicting things pretty well, and I'm pretty convinced that I'm gonna keep giving you guys some very precious information here. And so here, once again, to sum up the situation, we have 3 scenarios. This one is my less likely scenario, but this scenario you need to keep in mind, guys. We might go to 24 still, as long as we are below 40, which is this trend line, guys. This is the trend line that here is telling me, guys, that we are still in a bearish development. And as long as we are below this trend line, guys, we are at risk. So there are 2 scenarios, orange and red, that lead to 24 for me. And there is one scenario which I give 35% chance, so roughly 1/3, that is going to go higher. So you're going to tell me you basically don't know what will happen. Yes, I don't know what will happen, but I have some levels that once they are broken, it gives me information that I can use to enter a trade using a retest, or to secure some profits. For example, if I buy at 33, then I can sell a bit of my shares at 40. I know you guys don't like to sell. I'm just giving you some day trading tips here. And yeah, those are my 3 scenarios, guys. So roughly they have all the same probability. And here what is going to tell us once again that we are starting this fifth wave is this. So here I would stay put. If you don't want to day trade, you just stay put. You wait for the breakout here, and then you buy the retest, and then you're going to be set up for this strong move up, guys, that I believe very strong is going to come around 100%, maybe 150%, depending how high we manage to go. And once again, the parabolic arc is not giving you guys any targets. I'm giving you targets. We might take 250% after this breakout occurred. This is my view, and I'm just using Fibs and Elliott. That is a solid theory. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. So stay close to shore, guys.